Okay, so this is a arbitrage question again, but now we are buying and selling stuff. So the rule is a bit easier. So you always want to buy low and you want to sell high. Meaning you want to buy the cheaper thing and sell the same thing at a higher price. So that's the idea. So we need to know whether D is lower or ABC is lower. So the price of D according to ABC from the rates from ABC should be equal to, it's paying $1,000 at the end, and its discount is 3 years, so remember 0.03 from part A. So what is this? So 1 year zero coupon bond is around the same price, so obviously this is very overpriced. So this must be smaller than 990. So I don't need to compute this. This is getting from directly buying D, and this is from buying and selling ABC. So buy low and sell high. So you want to buy a combination of ABC and you want to sell D. So that's our strategy. Let's try to make it work. So you want to sell D and you want to buy some combination of ABC. Let's say buy X units of A, by Y units of B, and by Z units of C. So again, cash flow table. This time the question says you need to make profit times 0. So let's make everything else 0 and leave the first one to be positive, hopefully. So first start with selling D. So if I buy D, I pay 990. If I sell, I get that much money, and I need to pay $1,000 at the end. So we need this to be 0. So which one affects this one? Only C. But let's just fill this thing in. By X units of A, you need to pay minus 990.099. This is the price, remember, times the number of units, and you will get 1,000 times X here. And similarly, you pay the price for the second one, you'd get, what's the 2% coupon, so $20 here and $20 here. Remember the timeline that we drew for part A is the same thing. And for C, you would pay similarly with the price times the number of units, and then you get $30 here, $30 here, and $30 here. Okay, so we have the data, and we need all of them to be 0. We can actually solve it, I think. So we have 1030Z minus 1000 is 0. We have 30Z plus this Y should be 0. So it looks like Y is going to be negative. So, and you have 1000X plus 20Y plus 30Z is equal to 0. So from these three, you can solve X, Y, and Z, and you need to check this larger than 0 thing actually holds. So 990 minus 990.099x minus this minus this is actually larger than 0. It should be, but compute x, y, z first and then plug it in to make sure that it's actually larger than 0.